Hey there! Do you ever find yourself turning away from your furry friend when they come in for a kiss because of their bad breath? Don't worry, you're not alone. But the good news is, there are some natural options you can try to help freshen up your dog's breath. The first tip is make sure they're getting enough water. A lack of hydration can lead to bad breath. The second natural option to get rid of your dog's bad breath is to mix a small amount of apple cider vinegar into their water. The vinegar can help kill bacteria in the mouth that can cause bad breath. Another good natural remedy is to use parsley. Try adding a small amount of parsley to their food. It can help freshen breath and kill bacteria in the mouth. Another great option to treat bad dog breath is coconut oil. This oil can help kill bacteria in the mouth and improve overall oral health. Simply put a small amount on your finger and let your dog lick it off. And the last option is to give your dog a raw bone to chew on. The chewing motion helps to scrape away plaque and tartar, which can contribute to bad breath. Just be sure to supervise your dog while they chew on the bone to prevent any choking hazards. These natural options can help make your dog's breath more pleasant for both you and them. Give them a try and see if they make a difference. I hope this video has helped you. If you have any questions, leave a comment and it will be a pleasure to help you.